Hello students, I hope you are doing good. We have plenty of time to study. So in order to help you in your studies, we are bringing up you with some helping videos. Your chapter 1 is law of motion. Okay. Now basically we will see the definition of motion first. A body is said to be in a motion when there is an apparent change in its position of the body with respect to time. Okay, now let us suppose an example that body is initially at point A. Okay, now it starts traveling and it goes to point B. Okay, so now the distance between A to B is suppose some 5 units. Okay, and it takes some time, suppose 5 seconds. Okay, so now we can say that the body is in motion because it has covered some significant distance in a significant time. Okay, now let us come to a next concept, because in order to understand the concept of velocity and acceleration we need to understand these two concepts. First of all, there is distance. Total length of path between the 2 points is known as a distance. Okay, so basically I am telling you that imagine that here is point A and here is point B. Okay, and now I started from traveling from point A and I go like this to point B. Okay, this distance is 2 units and this distance is 3 units. Okay, so the total path of the total length of that path means 2 units plus 3 unit will be the distance. Okay, so distance will be what? 5 units. Okay, whereas we will come to the displacement. So displacement is nothing but shortest possible distance between 2 points, and the shortest possible distance between point A and B is what? This straight line. Okay, so this is the shortest possible distance, straight line. Okay, so let us consider that this is 4 units. Okay, so the displacement will be of 4 units. Now I will give you some extra information about the direction. Distance doesn't deals with direction. We don't care that whatever the direction the body travels, but we care about the initial and final points only. हमको सिर्फ जहाँ से हमने स्टार्ट किया है और जहाँ पर तुमको जाना है उसी पॉइंट्स को हमको लेना देना है. हमको डायरेक्शन से डिस्टेंस में कोई लेना देना नहीं है, लेकिन डिस्प्लेसमेंट में डायरेक्शन से लेना देना होता है. वी केयर अबाउट द डायरेक्शंस इन डिस्प्लेसमेंट. ओके, our next topic is speed and velocity. Okay, now see what is the difference between them. Speed means the total distance traveled divided by total time taken. Okay, so let us take our previous example. I have changed the values somehow. So from point A to this point, let us consider point O. This is 20 unit distance, and from O to B it is 40 unit distance. So total distance traveled by the body is 20 plus 40, that is 60 units here, divided by the total time taken is, I have taken the time as 10 seconds. Okay, 10 seconds. So we can get the speed here is 0 cancel, 6 units per second. Okay, so let me take the standard units here. I can take here 60 meters. Okay, so velocity speed will be here 6 meters per second. Okay, now come to velocity. Velocity is nothing but the displacement of the body divided by the time. It is taken at the instance. जिस instance पे हमको velocity calculate करनी है, ये per unit time लिया जाता है. Okay, so displacement in this case, what will be the displacement? The shortest possible distance, that is the 50 units. Okay, now we will consider here 50 meters. Okay, meters again. So displacement here is nothing but 50 meters, and the total time taken is what? 10 seconds. So we will get the velocity of the body as 0 cancel, 5 meters per second. Okay, now I would like to discuss about the unit. SI unit of speed and velocity both are same, that is meter per second. Why? Because according to formula, see what we take, total distance, and distance is measured in meter, and divided by time is measured in second, so the unit will be meter per second. Okay, now let me tell you one more thing. स्पीड और वेलोसिटी के बीच का डिफरेंस क्या होगा? सपोज मैं यहाँ से अमरावती से नागपुर की तरफ जाने निकला हूँ, और मैंने 150 किलोमीटर का डिस्टेंस 3 घंटे में तय किया. ओके, 150 किलोमीटर डिस्टेंस इन 3 hours. ओके, सो माई स्पीड विल बी 150 डिवाइडेड बाय 3 hours, दैट इज 50 किलोमीटर्स पर आवर. ये होगी मेरी स्पीड. लेकिन अगर मुझे वेलोसिटी पता करनी है तो वेलोसिटी होगी मेरी जिस वक्त मैं मेरी गाड़ी के उस स्पीडोमीटर में या ओडोमीटर में देखूंगा, और वो जो मेरी स्पीड मेजर होगी दैट विल बी माई वेलोसिटी एट दैट इंस्टेंट. ओके, सो मुझे क्लियर लगता है कि ये क्लियर है कि स्पीड और वेलोसिटी के बीच का डिफरेंस क्या है. सो थैंक यू गाइज. इन नेक्स्ट वीडियो वी आर कमिंग विद द टॉपिक एक्सेलरेशन एंड न्यूटन्स लॉज ऑफ मोशन. इट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक, डोंट स्किप दैट टॉपिक.